How's it going, everybody? I'm Cherokee Ronnie, and today we're going to be reviewing some headlights we got from Amazon for the Jeep build that we're getting ready to do, that we're in the process of doing. Now, it has LED lights, and they're alright, they're bright, but I'm pretty sure that these will probably look meaner, and they'll probably shine a lot better and give you more light. These are plug and play for my Jeep, and they should be plug and play for your Jeep also. They have the 3-prong plug. It even comes with an extension. But let's go ahead and do an unboxing and take a look at these and show you up close of what they look like and go out and put them in a Jeep. I want to show you how easy these are to put in. Let's go over here and unbox these. I'll show you how they was packaged, then we'll go out and put them in the Jeep. So let's go ahead and unbox these and take a look how they came in the mail. It comes in a Amazon box, but I went ahead and skip that. Here is the number. These are DOT approved. So give you a shot of that. Go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Okay. Styrofoam to protect the top. We have instructions, which is actually pretty cool because a lot of these headlights don't come with instructions, and these are really in detail also. So I'm impressed with that. Ooh, these look pretty cool. All right, check it out. These are a plastic front covering on these, but modern car nowadays have plastic coverings over their headlights. But just check that out. That looks really, really cool. Nice aluminum back. Here's your plug. That is really, really nice. Here's your adapter. You can adapt it. Wow, these are really nice for 80 bucks. Yeah, I'm really impressed, actually. And it comes with the other adapter. Hopefully, when we put them in, they'll be super bright, a lot brighter than what we have now. These are the new ones, which you can tell, and these are the other ones, the competitor. Now, these run in the same price as these do, but right off the bat, I can tell a little bit of quality issues with this one. And these are like upgraded. Just comparing the plastic cover, this is like squeezing a milk jug right here. I don't know if I can get that on camera, but that is very, very soft. I mean, very, very soft. This one, I mean, I'm pushing pretty hard, and you can just hear how more solid it is. And if we look at the seam on this one, you can tell it is not sealed very good. It's kind of there. You can actually see where the seal is coming apart. And here's the back. Not very good in my opinion. The plug, really not that sealed. And here is the seal on the new one, which you can see it's really, really good. I like the way it's built. And the back is a little bit better than that one. So this would set like this in the vehicle. And as you can see, I like this design better because it's not in the way. You can get this out of the way and push the plug back. This one, when you stick it in, it kind of hits and kind of pushes up on that. And with the bigger back on this, it kind of sets in the pocket of the headlight bucket really, really well. So I'm really impressed with that. It kind of mimics the headlights it's supposed to go in it instead of a really cheap version of it just sitting in there. Now that we got the unboxing done, let's go out here and put them in the Jeep. So the only thing you're going to need is either a Phillips screwdriver or a power tool. I'm using a power tool because it's a lot faster. There is a Phillips head in here. Take your bezel off, and there's going to be a screw here and a screw here. That's all you need to take off. You don't need to take these off down here because I'm going to show you a trick. Take that one off and take this one off. Now, these are going to be pretty rusted. Okay, so a lot of people round these off. So when you put your Phillips head screwdriver in there, make sure you press really hard, then turn. That's why I'm using a power tool, because I can press and then the torque of the power tool will turn it out. Alright, after you get your two top bolts out, you just take this ring, pull it down, get your plug, unplug it, get your old headlight out. Lay your new one in, plug this one in, tuck the wiring back here. And you just lift up on your ring, put your headlight in, push it up to where the bolt holes line up, put your two bolts back in, put these two screws back in, and you're done. I'm really impressed by the quality of these headlights. They do great in the daytime. They're bright, you know, you can see them. I like the background of the headlights. They look good. They don't look cheap. They set the Jeep off. It makes it look different. I don't know, it makes it look a little bit meaner. And these lights do great in the dark too. They shine very bright. And I'm really impressed with this product. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description down below. Buy a set for your Cherokee or your Wrangler. These will fit a ton of other vehicles also. Hey, for 80 bucks and it's just as good as the competitors out there, and you're building a budget Cherokee like I am, these lights do really, really well and make your Jeep look awesome, and it sets it apart from every other Cherokee in your town. Overall impressed with these things, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. I'm Cherokee Ronnie, and stay dirty, my friends.